Hello, welcome to the second chapter of Interoperability and Enterprise Architecture 2 course. This is Chapter 2, Enterprise Modeling for Interoperability. This course is provided by Ethiopian Digital Health Interoperability Academy from the University of Gondar, Ethiopia. In this chapter, we will discuss about Overview of Enterprise Modeling for Interoperability and Enterprise Modeling and its purpose of modeling interoperability. We will learn about methods and tools for enterprise modeling together with the available enterprise modeling languages. We will also discuss the challenges and impacts of enterprise modeling, and finally, we will talk about the recommended practices in implementing enterprise modeling for interoperability and its applications for interoperability. Chapter Description. This chapter gives an overview of enterprise modeling, which is the process of creating representations of an organization's operations, processes, and structures in order to understand and analyze its characteristics and functions. These enterprise models may take various forms, such as diagrams, charts, or more formalized model representations. These models may be used for a variety of purposes, such as identifying inefficiencies, optimizing operations, or supporting decision-making. This chapter also covers methods and tools for enterprise modeling and its impact on addressing interoperability issues. Chapter Objective. After completing this chapter, trainees will be able to recognize a general overview of enterprise modeling as a way to address interoperability issues. The trainees will equip with the necessary modeling tools and techniques available to outline or design enterprise models to implement interoperability problems. Learning outcomes. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to understand enterprise modeling, identify methods and tools for enterprise modeling, identify interoperability problems that can be addressed by enterprise modeling, understand enterprise modeling languages and its impact working on interoperability scenarios, identify the recommended practices in implementing enterprise modeling for interoperability, discuss applications of enterprise modeling for interoperability.
Overview of enterprise modeling for interoperability. Enterprise architecture is a method for designing and structuring an organization's IT systems and processes to align with its overall business strategy. It involves creating a comprehensive plan that defines the relationships between various IT systems and business functions and establishes a framework for making decisions about technology investments and implementation. The goal of IA is to create a flexible and adaptable IT infrastructure that can support the organization's current and future needs. Digital health systems are complex and need efficient implementation plans in order to make them sustainable wherever it is configured and installed. These systems should be modeled and designed for various reasons. In order to understand this, it is good to know about the organization's enterprise architecture. Enterprise modeling for interoperability in health systems involves the design and implementation of data and information systems that can exchange and integrate data effectively in order to support the delivery of healthcare services. This may involve the use of enterprise architecture frameworks, data modeling techniques, and service-oriented architecture SOA to design systems that are interoperable across different healthcare organizations and regions. Enterprise modeling. Enterprise modeling is the process of creating a visual representation of an organization's components, processes, data, and relationships in order to better understand, analyze, and optimize the enterprise. It involves identifying and defining the various elements of the enterprise and creating models or diagrams that show how they interact and relate to each other. Enterprise modeling involves the use of specialized software and the application of knowledge and expertise to creatively and intentionally design and plan business operations. These tools can be used independently to generate different views of the enterprise's knowledge, integrated with other systems as front-ends, or placed within a context-specific environment for use. Enterprise models can be created using a variety of techniques and tools, including flowcharts, process maps, data models, and other graphical representations. Enterprise modeling in the context of digital health systems refers to the process of creating a comprehensive, high-level representation of an organization's digital health ecosystem, including its processes, data, systems, and stakeholders. This model is used to understand the current state of the organization's digital health capabilities, identify opportunities for improvement, and guide the design and implementation of new digital health solutions. Enterprise modeling helps organizations to align their digital health strategy with their overall business goals and can be used to support decision-making, governance, and communication across the organization.